How to unpack and assemble an Everest & Jennings wheelchair. Each master carton includes one wheelchair, one brown box that contains the front rigging, user manual, and adjustment tool. With the carton upright as suggested on the carton. Open the top. Remove the plastic bag and protective cardboard. Turn the carton on its side and pull the wheelchair using the hand grips and the traction of the rear wheels to roll it out. Take the small brown box next to the wheelchair and set it aside. Remove the shrink wrap of the rear wheels and casters. Facing the chair, try opening the two armrests so you can unfold the chair by pushing down the seat upholstery until the seat is fully extended. It should function with easy and straight travel without excessive drag or pull to one side. Carefully open the small box that contains the front riggings, user manual, and a tool for adjustment. Do not use blades as it could scratch the riggings. Open and read your manual to help maintain good performance standards. Set the front riggings on the wheelchair so that the front rigging hinge plates engage the wheelchair hinge pins located above the small front casters on the left and right side of the chair. Swing the front rigging inward until it clicks. Ensure the release lever is locked in a rearward position toward the back of the wheelchair before occupying or operating the chair. The foot plate's lowest point should be no closer to the ground than 2.5 inches to permit clearance. Locate the wheel locks on each side of the chair and ensure they lock in place before occupying or operating the wheelchair. The serial number label of each wheelchair is located under the chair, adhered to the cross brace. Each carton contains also a label with serial number, product name, and item number. Depending on the adjustments prescribed by your healthcare professional, you should adjust the height, caster forks, and front riggings. Please consult the user manual for further adjustments or questions on how to operate and adjust the chair. Everest & Jennings, created to keep you independent and on the go.